guys, our today's topic is Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge is an arrangement of resistance which is used to measure an unknown resistance of a conductor. The basic circuit of Wheatstone bridge is shown in the figure. The Wheatstone bridge circuit consists of 4 arms. Here you can see 4 arms A, B, BC, CD and DA. The 2 arms consist to known resistance, while the other 2 arms consist a variable resistance and an unknown resistance. As you can see, arm AB consists resistance P, arm BC consists resistance Q, arm CD consists resistance S, and arm DA consists resistance R. Here resistance P and Q are known resistance. Resistance R is variable resistance. Variable resistance means the value of R can vary. It can increase, also it can decrease. And S is unknown resistance. And we want to find the value of resistance S by using the concept of Wheatstone bridge. The circuit also consists a galvanometer and an electromotive force source. Easily we can say it a cell, capital E. The galvanometer is connected between point B and point D, and the electromotive force source, that is cell, is connected between the point A and point C. It's like a diagonal. Okay. Under normal condition, the bridge is in unbalanced condition, where the current flows through the galvanometer, capital G. The bridge is said to be in balanced condition when no current flows through the galvanometer, capital G. And the condition achieved by adjusting the known resistance and the variable resistance. In balanced condition, the ratio of two known resistance is equal to the ratio of variable resistance and unknown resistance, that is P upon Q is equals to R upon S. And by using this equation, you are easily able to find the value of unknown resistance, capital S, in the value of P, Q and R. By putting these values in this equation, you can find the value of S. In this way, by using the Wheatstone bridge, you can find the value of an unknown resistance of a conductor. That's all. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you like, please like, share and subscribe. And some persons are more comfortable with Hindi, so don't worry, tomorrow I will also upload the Hindi version of Wheatstone bridge. Thank you, bye bye.